Here's the Nissan Kicks. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the hatch. Now we need to take out those two bolts. They are the ones that are holding the light in place. Those bolts are both 10mm. You'll need a 10mm wrench or a socket ratchet combination to get the bolts out. Let's go ahead and get them out. Right over there. So just push it and it'll pop right out. Those are the two pins, 1 and 2. They go right over there, and those two holes are where the bolts go on. You need to get this electrical connector out. You can either push it down with your thumb, but very likely you'll need to get a flathead screwdriver to push down the clip over there and then slide the connector out. This will allow us to completely get the assembly off the body. Once this connector is off, the entire light comes out. You need to change the entire light. Check the link in description to buy it from Amazon. Get the new light assembly, slide the connector on the way I'm showing, position the light. Now we need to make sure that the pin goes in the hole there. Alright, that's good. Now let's make sure those two other holes where the bolts go on, they are aligned. Not yet, give it a little bit more push. And that is good. The holes are lining up now. Let's go ahead and get the bolts and tighten them down one by one. The lights are moving, that's good, and that is pretty much it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Automotive for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.